So we've got a nice jack door. The world's smallest multi-tool. Bit disappointed at that. I mean, there ain't much you can cut with that fucker. Never mind, hey. Then we've got this, which is going to be a messy box. Fucking hell. So this is a nice set with a Garrington ratchet and all Garrington sockets in as well. So I've already got what I thought was the identical socket bar to this one, but so my one's just got Garringtons and no red diamonds. That one's got the red diamonds on, so oh well, can't sell that, can I? Bargain. See them. 15 quid the pair. Last one was £18, I think. Oh, that's why. They're quite thin. Reasonably, fuck me, they are really thin, aren't they? Alright, well, they're actually better than nothing, but not the best, but never mind. When you look at the jack door, it's still finished in its original black. That's quite amazing, isn't it? Different from pin to normal. Anyway, that's because so that's another 10-inch. So as I've got a collection of the jack doors. And so there's an 8, 10 and an 8 of just a jack door. Alright, so, and if I've got my car keys on me, I've got a 4 on my car keys from Ben, no. So I need a 6 and a 12 really. Alright, so I'm going to start a collection now. I'm going to start a collection out of just jack doors. Right, so I think it's funny. But what I can do is I can put these 3 up for sale because I've obviously got the set of jack doors. And I suppose I better give this a fucking clean, eh? The world's biggest, smallest fucking multi-tool ever. Well, I'm quite shocked about that. Alright, so this cost me 20. The jack door cost me 6. And this little fucking thing cost me 11. Thought it was going to be bigger. Never mind, eh? Still nice. Shall we give this a clean? I think we should. Probably not worth the 11 quid I paid for it, but oh well. Anybody else got one? Pair of pliers, hammer, axe, screwdriver for a child. A very small person. A very small cobbler. Right then, that's all for today. Bye for now.